to another demonstration video of Lab 12. This is our orbital simulator with the parts and fragments implemented. I'm going to run this and show you that it builds and all of our test cases pass, especially our new ones. You can see all of our parts are building, the parts of the satellites when they are broken up, when they collide with other satellites or with the Earth or with the projectiles that the ship fires. Here we go. We have all of our test cases over here and our simulator right here with the satellites orbiting the Earth and the ship where we can move with the arrow keys, add thrust, and fire bullets in the direction we're facing. And these bullets do collide with the satellites. You can see the fragments are also colliding with each other. The parts are colliding with other satellites. And each satellite is broken into the, I ran into the Earth there. But each satellite breaks up into the correct number of parts and fragments, and the fragments and the bullets expire after a certain amount of time, specified in the description. So everything is working as expected with this lab, and next week we'll work out all of the kinks and refactor everything as needed.